Hi, and welcome to CaseWare QuickVids. Are you concerned about the efficiency of completing audit documentation and that toolkit forms are often not practical to use on some of your engagements? Do you want to ensure that your documentation meets the authoritative standards? Do you want to encourage a thinking audit rather than having staff simply complete form after form? Well then, CaseWare's OneForm is the solution for you. Developed by CaseWare, OneForm is a single document where audit documentation related to planning, risk assessment and response, and completion areas of an audit can be completed in a memo format. It provides a framework that is organized into key areas of the audit process and facilitates a thinking audit. There are many ways to complete audit documentation to meet the requirements of authoritative standards. In certain circumstances, audit documentation requirements can be more efficiently met using a memo format. OneForm is extendable and easily modifiable. It's organized into key areas of the audit process to easily navigate through the audit workflow, and it's succinct and provides a framework as a reminder for the auditor. OneForm was designed for simpler engagements and for experienced auditors who understand the authoritative standards and know what documentation is required. It should be used in conjunction with selected toolkit forms as needed in particular engagements. All OneForm information is retained after completing a year-end close. When you open OneForm, a document map automatically appears on the left-hand side of the screen. This allows you to conveniently jump to different areas of the audit regardless of where you are in the document. Document map can be turned off from the View menu in the Case View toolbar. When you are ready to begin working on the document, select the plus sign to expand the section you want to complete. Concise descriptions and authoritative references of documentation requirements appear as guidance above each section. If you would prefer to use a toolkit form, select the checkboxes for specific forms used under the area documented in. This will turn off the input cells and reference the relevant toolkit form. If the form you select is not already in the document manager, you can easily add it from the document library. You may wish to use the Understanding the Entity detailed toolkit form and cross-reference it in OneForm. Copy the UTE form over from the document library. For other areas of the audit, you can add a text description in OneForm to complete documentation requirements. If necessary, you can add references to other working papers by selecting the annotation icon in the required row. Customizations can be made to OneForm via the right-click menu. Simply right-click on the desired section to insert, delete, or sort items. OneForm should be used in conjunction with work programs and can be used with the FSA and Risk Report. OneForm was developed by Case Ware International and is not part of the toolkits authored by CPA Canada. Users are responsible to ensure it meets the authoritative standards and their audits comply with all areas of the standards. CaseWare's OneForm, helping you streamline your audit. Thank you for watching CaseWare QuickVids.